Repository number 1. Yampen/Cursor Free VIP. This repository supports 0.48.x, reset cursor AI machine ID and auto signup/in, and bypass higher token limit cursor AI ID in for a shungji fiong promo. You've reached your trial request limit. /2 many free trial accounts used on this machine. Please upgrade to Pro. We have this limit in place to prevent abuse. Please let us know if you believe this is a mistake. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Yampen/Cursor Free VIP description. Support 0.48.x, reset cursor AI machine ID and auto signup/in, and bypass higher token limit cursor AI ID in for a shungji fiong promo. You've reached your trial request limit. Support latest 0.48.x version Ignition 0.48.x Bunbin. This tool registers accounts with custom emails. Support Google and GitHub account registrations. Temporary GitHub account registration kills all cursors running processes, resets, and wipes cursor data and hardware info. Repository number 2. Automatic 1111/Stable Diffusion Web UI. This repository Stable Diffusion Web UI. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Automatic 1111/Stable Diffusion Web UI description. Stable Diffusion Web UI features detailed feature showcase with images, original TXT2 IMG and IMG2 IMG modes, one-click install and run script. But you still must install Python and Git. Outpainting in painting color sketch prompt matrix stable diffusion upscale attention. Specify parts of text that the model should pay more attention to a man in a tuxedo. Will pay more attention to tuxedo a man in a tuxedo. 1.21. Alterna. Repository number 3. Virit/AI Hedge Fund. This repository an AI hedge fund team. Here's a brief overview. The goal of this project is to explore the use of AI to make trading decisions. This project is for educational purposes only and is not intended for real trading or investment.